How to fix Adobe Photoshop is not opening and crashing problem. If you are facing the opening and crashing problem on your Adobe Photoshop, here are some troubleshooting steps that you can try to resolve the issue. First step is that you can restart your device. Or simple restart can often fix the temporary glitches. You have to long press on your power button and go for the reboot or restart option. Also, you can check the update in your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Make sure you have the latest version of your Photoshop Fix installed on your device. Just go for the Play Store or Apple Store and search for the Adobe Photoshop Fix here. So once you have searched for that, if there is any update available, then you have to update your app completely. For your Android device, you have to navigate to your setting and go for the app and go for the manage app again. On your search bar, just search for the Adobe Photoshop Express here, and according to your device preference, you can go for the storage or clear data option and go for the clear cache here. So the clearing data may log out you from your Adobe Photoshop Express, so you can choose the clear cache option to solve the minor glitches. Also, you can uninstall the Photoshop and then reinstall it from your app store. And you have to make sure that you have the enough storage available on your device. If not, you can free up space if necessary. Also, you can close any disable background app that might be consuming resources or causing conflict. Just go for the other preference and you have to just go for the other permission or app permission, and you have to allow the all permission on your Adobe Photoshop. So if this doesn't work, you can try reaching out to the Adobe support for assistance. So they may provide you the specific troubleshooting step to fix the issue. So these are the steps you should be able to resolve the crashing issue. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.